Garmin is known for accurately tracking activities, but what if your Garmin smartwatch is not tracking your workouts the way you want? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. In today's video, I will show you how to add custom workout to your Garmin watch, so it can easily measure things exactly the way you want. Not only that, I will also guide you on how to access and use the custom workout after creating it. Let's get started. Before we move on to adding workouts to the Garmin watch, let's see what custom workouts you can add to your Garmin smartwatch. You can create custom workouts on Garmin smartwatches for exercises like running, biking, pool swimming, strength training, cardio, yoga, pilates, and even create custom exercises. For example, if you run daily and want to add a warm-up round before starting, you can do that. You can set the goal as well as duration of the warm-up set. Then you can add the actual run and set the goals for it. You can also add a cool-down session like a warm-up session. Now let's see how to add a custom workout. Custom workouts on the Garmin watch can only be created by the Garmin Connect app. For this, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Tap on the menu icon. You'll see a hamburger icon for Android or 3 dots for the iOS at the bottom right corner. Go to Training, select Workouts. Tap the Create Workout button. Choose the type of exercise for your custom workout. I am choosing Run. Create your workout by adding, removing, or repeating steps as needed. Tap on the individual steps to modify their type, duration, or target. Tap Save. Enter a name for your workout and tap Save again. You have created the custom workout. Now you need to send it to your watch and use it. Tap on the workout name you just created. Tap the phone icon in the top right corner. Select the watch you want to send the workout. This is how you can add custom workouts and how you can send them to your Garmin watch. After sending the workout to your watch, you will be able to access and use it directly from your wrist. If you are enjoying this video, then please hit the subscribe button. Now let's see how you can use these custom workouts on your Garmin watch. Press the Start button on your watch. Navigate to the workout type that matches your custom workout. For example, I created a custom workout for running, so I'm selecting Run. Press the Up button to access the options. Go to Training. Open Workouts. Select the custom workout you created. Select Do Workout. Once you select Do Workout, your watch will start tracking the workout according to your plan. That's it. I hope now you have a better idea on how to create a custom workout on your Garmin watch. We created more videos like this on the Garmin watch. If you want to access, tap on the I button. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.